Welcome back everyone, it's Albert Lebel, and I got something special this time around. It is a challenge lock. It's called Laid Back, and it's by the one and only Thumper. And it's pretty special, I say, because I believe, and I did check my book, so Thumper, I apologize if I'm wrong about this, but I do believe this is the first challenge lock that I've tried from you, which is pretty freaking cool. I love trying different people's stuff. And we've got a lot more people joining Locksport, mostly pickers, but I'd like to encourage more and more people to try and create some challenge locks, because we need to feed the hungry with challenge locks. So Thumper, thank you for making a few. I have not tried this yet. I literally just got this one. There's the key. It's still all wrapped up. Got key tag on there. Says Laid Back. So it is a schleg, and I do love me a schleg. I'm going to drop my little shotgun in the bottom. And I didn't want to try this off camera because it is his first, so I really want to get a just a, I guess, a fresh feel for it, a fresh take on it. So let's go with top of the keyway as always, on schlegs anyway. Got my shotgun in the bottom, and as always I use these mainly this one. It's one of the Sparrows picks. I call it a low rise. It's just got barely any lift to it, and it works like master keys on schlegs. I mentioned it many a time, and it's true. So let me go in and get a feel. Okay, right off the bat, one in the back, so that's where I'm going to start, all the way in the back. Okay, got a little baby click. I'm going to leave that and check around. Four, maybe. Can't get the pick out past it. Okay, let me see. Okay, got that click back on 5. I think it's 5. Coming back out, feeling around. Got counter rotation on 1. Yep. It's right there. Let's see if I can stay under it. Okay, got that turn back. Feels like we set 1. Counter rotation big time on 2. Okay, still got that turn. Feels like it's set. Okay, the ones in the back feel set. Let me come back out and see where see what we got. Okay, now I think it's 3. Counter rotation. Oh, there we go. Really fun, Thumper. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Alright, let's see what put this pick back. Let's see what Thumper's put in here for us. Get backed out a bit here. Really cool. Really cool. Definitely love the feedback. Love a lock with feedback in it. Alright. Because I think that's the lock's language. That's how they talk to you. Alright. So we're very much open. You know what? I guess, you know, it is his first, so I'm going to go ahead and do this just to make sure the key works. There's the bitting on the key, and we'll lock it back up and assume that it's going to work. Yep, well done. Alright, so got this little dude on the back. Nice job, Thumper. Very fun. Alright. Put that stuff out of the way. Little baby spring. Okay. And I don't know what's in here, obviously, so I'm going to go ahead and try and shim it. I always use a shim, especially on challenge locks, because why not? Why risk it? When we all got shims, they're cheap to buy. Bada boom, bada bang, follower. So yeah, it's like, why would you not use one? All right, a 5-pinner. And looks like 5 barely needed touching. Let's get them laid out and see what we got. 1 standard, 2 standard, 3 standard, 4 standard. Okay. And 5 is standard. No mods to the key pins, and no mods, it looks like, in the core. Alright, pokey. Nope, no mods in the core. Nothing. Alrighty. See if there's any magic up top here. And the front, it's not marked. I'm going to mark it. Alright, tweezers. Where we at? Whoop, shim. We've got looks like a factory spool in 1. Looks like another factory spool in 2. Looks like another factory spool in 3. And another factory spool in 4. Should we take a guess? Standard in 5. So I'm not sure. Now these look, like I said, they look very factory on those spools. I'm not sure why, because I think he sent me I don't know where it is offhand, a little bag with some security pins in it. I'm not sure why there's none in this lock, but that's fine. Get that dust off of there. But that's what we got. Alright. How are we looking? We're looking good. So yeah, what was that called? Laid Back by Thumper. We've got all standard key pins. 4, it looks like factory spools, and then a standard in 5. So fun lock. Thank you, Thumper, for putting this together and sending it my way. I do appreciate it. And that'll do her. Big Al signing out.